Hello friends and welcome back to the Techlegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zotac RTX 5060 solo graphics card with a single fan. So friends, the Zotac has announced the new solo series based on the RTX 50 series, the lowest Blackwell desktop SKU, and this graphics card follows the release on the Twin-Edge AMP and other model of Zotac. So friends, the solo GPU is only mentioned on the global Zotac page, indicating that the release will be all regions. So friend, the card stand out with a single fan design like the Twin Edge NAMP and all Zotac RTX 5060 series GPU are SFF friendly design, and the Solo is basically the ITX form factor, and it's only such as model of Zotac lineup, and there is no OC version for the Solo, and it's appear and the RTA 5060 Solo features the GB206 GPU with 3840 CUDA cores and comes with 8 GB GDDR7 memory across a 128-bit memory bus. And it also has a default TDP of 145 watt, and Zotac has include only one 8-pin power connector on this card. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.